Hello students, today we are going to study fifth module, that is forms of market. Means last time we have studied here fourth module, that is supply analysis, and after completing supply analysis we have to discuss here different types of market or forms of market. So firstly we will see introduction. So here firstly we have to see that market means what. Students, generally market is considered as particular place or locality where we can sell or we can buy different goods or we can purchase here different commodities. But in economics, market is an arrangement through which buyers and sellers come in contact with each other directly or indirectly. राइट हम यहाँ पे जनरली कंसिडर करते हैं कि एक फिजिकल प्लेस है, एक लोकेलिटी है जहाँ पे हम गुड्स सेल एंड परचेज करते हैं. बट इकोनॉमिक्स में मार्केट का मीनिंग डिफरेंट है. इट इज़ एन अरेंजमेंट थ्रू विच बायर्स एंड सेलर कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट. दे मीट टू ईच अदर, राइट. दे कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ ईच अदर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. मतलब मार्केट के लिए एक फिजिकल प्लेस ही नहीं चाहिए, राइट. डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, मतलब जैसे कि ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं हम, इनडायरेक्टली, राइट. सेलर्स एंड बायर्स कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ ईच अदर, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मार्केट. आफ्टर दैट, इन मार्केट exchange of goods and services take place, right. Means exchange of goods and services means buying and selling of goods and services. यहाँ पे sellers and buyers कांटेक्ट में आते हैं और यहाँ पे गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज जो है उनकी बाइंग एंड सेलिंग होती है. बाइंग मीन्स परचेस करना, सेलिंग मीन्स सेल करना. वी नो दिस. After that, here we have to see the definition of market, which is given by Augustine Cournot. So according to him, economists understand the term market not any particular marketplace in which things are bought or sold, but the whole of any region in which buyers and sellers are in such a close contact with one another that the prices of the same goods tend to equality easily and quickly. That means there is no need of physical place, right. Directly or indirectly, sellers and buyers come in close contact, right, with one another, and therefore the prices of the same goods tend to equality easily and quickly. In such a way, market is a network of dealings between potential buyers and potential sellers, right. Dealing between sellers and buyers. And a market will exist if there are certain conditions. First condition is buyers and sellers. That means if in particular place there is buyers and sellers, then market will exist. The second condition, a product or a service to be bought and sold. So second condition is product. Any particular product will be there, right. सो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए और उस प्रोडक्ट की बाइंग एंड सेलिंग होनी चाहिए. दैट मीन्स ए प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस टू बी बॉट मीन्स परचेस्ड एंड सोल्ड. एंड थर्ड पॉइंट is the price of the product. It is very important, right, for the existence of market. After that, fourth condition is close contact between buyers and sellers. And fifth one is knowledge about market. That means if these conditions are there, then definitely market will exist. So buyers sellers होने चाहिए मार्केट में, एक प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए, उस वो परचेस और सेल होना चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस होनी चाहिए, बायर्स एंड सेलर्स में क्लोज कांटेक्ट होना चाहिए और मार्केट के बारे में नॉलेज होना चाहिए. सो ये 5 कंडीशंस है, तो वो वहाँ पे मार्केट हो सकता है. Then next we have to study here classification of market. And here, while studying the classification of market, the 3 different points are very important. So classification first is on the basis of place. second on the basis of time, and third on the basis of competition. Means on the basis of place, time and competition, there are different types of market and we have to see all that types of market. So first is on the basis of place, and on the basis of place there are three types of market. First is local market. So local market means what? Local market is a market in which sellers sell and customers buy a product in the region or area where the product is produced. See, I repeat here, local market is a market in which sellers sell and customers purchase a product in that region or that area where the product is produced. That means जहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस हुआ है वहाँ पे सेलर्स सेल करते हैं और कस्टमर्स परचेस करते हैं. दैट इज़ नोन एज लोकल मार्केट. आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड टाइप इज national market. National market is the domestic market in the given country, and each national market is governed by the regulation of its own country. Okay, so national market is the domestic market इन द गिवन कंट्री. मतलब हमारे कंट्री में जो मार्केट है उसे हम कहते हैं नेशनल मार्केट, एंड ईच नेशनल मार्केट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द रेगुलेशन ऑफ इट्स ओन कंट्री. कंट्री के रेगुलेशंस होते हैं, वैसे वो मार्केट यहाँ पे चलता है. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट टाइप इज इंटरनेशनल मार्केट इज द वर्ल्ड वाइड मार्केट, and in this market buyers and sellers trade in goods and services across the national borders, right? So international market is the worldwide market. That means generally commodity is produced in our country and this commodity is sold in other country, that is the international market. So it is worldwide market and buyers and sellers trade in goods and services across the national boundaries. मीन्स हमारे कंट्री की कमोडिटी हम अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ में सेल करते हैं, राइट? मतलब इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में सेल करते हैं. सो थ्री टाइप्स वी हैव सीन. लोकल मार्केट, दैट मीन्स कमोडिटीज प्रोड्यूस इन आवर कंट्री, राइट, इन पर्टिकुलर एरिया, और उसी रीजन में या उसी एरिया में वो कमोडिटी सेल की जाती है. सेलर्स सेल एंड कस्टमर परचेसेस. Then next is national market. It is a domestic market in the economy. And international means worldwide market. Here commodities produced in our country and it is sold in another country, that is international market. After that we have to study here classification, that means second classification, that is on the basis of time, right? Means firstly we have seen on the basis of place, and after that we have to see here second classification, that is on the basis of time. And on the basis of time there are four types of market. Okay, so first is very short period market. Very short period market means here the time period is for a few days or few weeks, and we cannot increase the supply of commodity, and therefore supply of commodity is fixed. Okay, very short period market, that means just for few days or few weeks, right? बहुत short time है, so क्विकली वी कैनॉट इंक्रीज द सप्लाई ऑफ कमोडिटी. अगर आप सेलर हो, फ्यू डेज है, तो आप जल्दी से यहाँ पे आपके कमोडिटी का सप्लाई इंक्रीज नहीं कर सकते हो. देयरफॉर सप्लाई ऑफ कमोडिटी इज फिक्स. आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड टाइप इज शॉर्ट पीरियड मार्केट, दैट मीन्स लेस देन 1 year, and in this period firms or seller can make adjustment in inputs like labor to increase the supply of goods and services. Means short period है, that means less than 1 year, right? And In this situation, the seller can make adjustment in inputs like labor only to increase the supply of goods and services. मीन्स आपको यहाँ पे गुड्स का सप्लाई करना है, कमोडिटी का सप्लाई करना है, बट टाइम पीरियड लेस देन 1 ईयर है, मतलब कम ही है. सो यहाँ पे सेलर क्या करता है कि इनपुट्स यहाँ पे चेंज करता है, स्पेशली लेबर, कि लेबर इंक्रीज करके, यहाँ पे लेबर से ज़्यादा काम करके वो यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा सकता है और कमोडिटी का सप्लाई कर सकता है. लेबर मीन्स पर्सन है, वो 8 आवर्स काम कर रहा है तो उसके लेबर वो 10 आवर्स काम करेगा, 12 आवर्स काम करेगा, और यहाँ पे ऐसे करके प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा सकते हैं और कमोडिटी का सप्लाई बढ़ा सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स सप्लाई कैन बी चेंज हियर. आफ्टर दैट थर्ड टाइप इज लॉन्ग पीरियड. Long period means it is for few years, means generally it is less than 5 years, and in long period all factors of production and cost are variable, and firms are also able to adjust all cost. Less than 5 years, that means you can make here changes. मीन्स आप लेबर चेंज कर सकते हो, आप बिल्डिंग भी चेंज कर सकते हो, लैंड भी चेंज कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे कैपिटल मशीनरीज भी चेंज कर सकते हो. सब चेंज करके आप यहाँ पे कमोडिटी का सप्लाई चेंज कर सकते हो, प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा सकते हो, और प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा के आप कमोडिटी का सप्लाई भी इंक्रीज कर सकते हो. सो लॉन्ग पीरियड. शॉर्ट पीरियड में सिर्फ लेबर इंक्रीज कर रहे हो आप, जल्दी से आप बिल्डिंग चेंज, लैंड यहाँ पे या बिल्डिंग आप बड़ी नहीं कर सकते हो, चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो शॉर्ट पीरियड में, बट लॉन्ग पीरियड में यू कैन डू दिस बिकॉज इट इंक्लूड्स few years, means generally less than 5 years. And the fourth type is very long period market, and it is of more than 5 years, and this time period is so long, therefore all inputs are variable. That means you can change here machinery, you can change labor, you can change building, you can change raw material, right? So all inputs are variable. In वेरिएबल मीन्स चेंज हो सकते हैं. इनपुट्स किसे कहते हैं कि जो आप प्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे बना रहे हो, तो प्रोडक्शन बनाने के लिए जो भी यहाँ पे फैक्टर्स लगने वाले हैं उसे हम कहते हैं इनपुट्स. सो बाय यूजिंग इनपुट्स you can change the supply of commodity. Means by using more inputs you can produce here more production, and due to this you can increase the supply of commodity. After that, next, on the basis of competition. So on the basis of competition there are two types of market. First is perfect competition, and second is imperfect competition. Okay, so in next lecture we are going to study here perfect competition means what, and imperfect competition means what, and their features. Okay, so on the basis of competition there are two types of market. First is perfect competition and another is imperfect competition. And after that you can see here that imperfect competition has three types. First is monopoly, second is monopolistic competition, and third is oligopoly. Okay, so today we have seen market means what. Market means it is not physical place, right? It includes the whole region where buyers and sellers meet to each other, they come in close contact here, right? So that thing is known as market. Here commodity is purchased and commodity is sold. After that, classification of market on the basis of place, three types we have seen: local market, national market, international market. On the basis of time period, four types of market are there: very short period market, short period market, long period market, and very long period market. And on the basis of competition, perfect competition market and imperfect competition market. And in that, imperfect competition has three types: monopoly market, monopolistic competition market, and oligopoly market. I hope you understood this topic. Okay, thank you.